everyone, it's me Anushka. Welcome back to another video from the Knit series. For the longest time, I have been getting a lot of queries, a lot of requests and a lot of DMs regarding how good do you need to be with your drawing skills in order to ensure that you get into Knit. And I also get a lot of requests to share my sketches and drawings from my preparation days. But for the longest time, I couldn't really find my sketches from that period. And it was recently when I was cleaning my room, thanks to lockdown, I got my hands on a folder which had a lot of my sketches from my preparation days, and I have already spoken about the fact that I'm not really good with my sketching skills. I'm not an artist, and I was even worse when I was preparing for the entrance examination, but nevertheless I practiced a lot and I managed to rank 5th in all over India back in 2018. So I want to share with all of you my sketches from that period and also respond to all of those major doubts that you have regarding the drawing part of the entrance examination. So I hope you enjoy watching this video, and without any further ado, let's get started with the video. The first major doubt that a lot of you guys have is that whether drawing skills are important for the NIFT entrance examination or not. So it is very important actually, because the creative ability test is all about your sketching skills and it has a 50% weightage. So you may not be an artist, but at least you should be able to put your ideas clearly with the help of your sketching skills. It needs to be clean and organized and understandable. It at least needs to be good, if not the best. I also get a lot of people texting me that they are not good with drawing at all and what should they be doing in order to ensure that by the time they sit for the entrance examination, they can place it with their sketching skills. So the only way you can go about this is to practice a lot. Trust me, practice does make an individual perfect. So just sketch something every day, and trust me, if you practice, you'll totally improve at it. You can practice a lot of quick sketching, you can practice a lot of line drawing. You need to ensure that your lines do not look very rough or sketchy, or you are not very dark with your lines. Also, the type of colors that you're using, I think, can make a lot of difference to how your sketches turn out. You cannot use wet color mediums in the entrance examination. You have to stick to dry color mediums. Speaking of which, color pencils I think are the best, and speaking of that, I think Staedtler color pencils are the best color pencils that you can invest in. For the longest time when I was preparing for the entrance examination, I was using Camlin color pencils, I guess, and for some reason or the other I noticed that my sketches turned out to be really flat. There was no dimension to it. After a few months I decided to invest in a box of Staedtler color pencils. It is a little expensive, I understand, but it is a one-time investment, and it makes a lot of difference to how your sketches turn out. So yes, the type of colors that you're using matters a lot. I will leave down the link to the Staedtler color pencils that I'm talking about and that I would recommend in the description box below, so that you guys can check it out right from here. Moving on, I'm going to share with all of you my sketches from my preparation days. But before I begin, I would like to tell you all that please do not judge, because initially I was not good with my drawing skills at all. But I practiced. By the time I sat for the entrance examination, I think I improved a lot. So here's presenting my first sketch from my first day at VRDS. I know, right? It's too bad. We were asked to make a book cover for Harry Potter and the Cursed Child. This was like an exercise, drawing exercise that was given to us, and this is what I sketched. It is too bad what Voldemort for me looked like back then. And basically, as you can see, it was very bad. My sketching skills were very bad. Moving on, this is my sketch from a few days after. Still very bad with my sketching skills, but I feel I was improving. It's very small steps, but I was getting there, I feel. Moving on, this is my sketch from a few days, I think like a month after. Basically in VRDS, they used to give us a drawing exercise every day. I don't really remember the questions, I just have a few sketches from those days. And so yeah, basically this is my sketch from like a few days or weeks after. I think this is like 2 months after the first sketch, and I think I have improved quite a bit. There's a caricature of Phoebe. As you can see, By this time, my sketches have become very clean as compared to what it was previously. Forms and the quality of lines has also improved. And lastly, I have these two sketches, which is I think from the month of December back in 2017. And after looking at these two sketches, I really felt that yes, practice really made me improve a lot. These are like composition sketches, and composition sketches are quite difficult to make, at least it is to me, because it includes perspective, human figures, proportion and all of that. But again, if you practice them, I think it helps you improve your overall drawing skills. So here it is. So look at my first sketch and look at my sketch from like a month before the next entrance examination. I definitely improved, and the only way I did so was by practicing every day. So these are all about some of the sketches that I could find from my preparation days. So I just hope you enjoyed watching this video. I hope this video helped. In case if you have any more doubts, make sure to leave them in the comment section below, or you can hit me up on my social media. You can also follow me on my Instagram. My username is somewhere out here. Thank you so much for watching this video, and until next time, bye!